Friends, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about the top 5 journal that will publish quickly and also Scopus category, UGC category and many more index in the different subject and different field. If you are facing any issue to find out appropriate journal to publish your research paper, join our WhatsApp group and you will get the link in the description box. So just join and do let me know about your query. So definitely I will support you. So first category of the journal, International Journal of Exergy, published by Indus Science Publishers, and this journal published in both category. First one is the online category and print version, and issues 12 issues per year publication time. And as you can see here, this section will provide the description and introductory part of this particular journal. So as you can see here, this journal related to the interdisciplinary journal. So many researchers can publish their research paper in this category of the journal. Now most important thing, whether this type of the topics covered by this journal. So you can see here these all the aim and scope and related titles are available here. So if your research area falls under this category, you can publish your research paper in this category of the topic. Now whether this journal related to the free or paid, so as you can see here, there are the no charges to publication of your research paper. So this is a really very golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this unpaid journal. And if your research paper is already ready, then you can submit your research paper in this link through the submission link. Now we will check here whether the journal related to Scopus category. So as you can see here, this journal related to the Scopus category, Elsevier category and many more indexing. And this journal also comes under the category of the UGC K-listed journal. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Next category of the journal is the International Journal of the Heavy Vehicle System, and this journal also published in the both category, print version and online version. And this journal publication 6 issues per year, and impact factor is the 0.915. so the probability of your research paper acceptance is good, and also you can say this is high. And general description you can see here in this particular section. So read out it carefully, and what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal and published by this journal. So as you can see here, all the things are given here. So read out it very carefully. If your research area match with this particular topics and title, then you can submit your research paper for the publication. If you are looking for the whether the journal related to the paid or unpaid, so you can see here there is no charges, so you can submit your research paper freely to this publication charge. Now focus on the indexing. So this journal related to the Scopus category and also many more indexing, and also that comes under the category of the UGC K-listed journal. So grab this golden opportunity to publish your research paper in this journal. Next category of the journal, International Journal of Internet Manufacturing and Service, and this journal published in both category, print version and online. And this journal published 4 issues per year, and you can see here this is the journal description, so you can read out it carefully, and what types of the topics and titles covered by this journal and published by this journal. If your research area falls under these type of the topics, titles covered by your research area, then you can submit your research area in this quality index journal. And whether the journal related to Scopus category, you can see here the journal related to the Scopus index category. So really very good chances to publish your research paper, and also comes under the category of the UGC listed journal. Next one is the International Journal of the Continuing Engineering Education and Lifelong Learning. So this comes under the published by the Indus Science Publishers and published in both category, print version and online category, and 4 issues per year. And this section will cover about the journal description, so read out it carefully, and what types of the research article and manuscript published by this journal. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title and areas, then you can submit your research paper in this quickly publication journal. So whether the journal related to the Scopus category, so you can see here the journal related to the Scopus category and also the many more indexing, and comes under the category golden opportunity to publish your research paper. Next one is the International Journal of the Social Media and Interactive Learning Environments, and this journal published in the both categories, online and print version, and 4 issues per year publication time. And this section covers about this particular journal description and introductory part, so read out it carefully, and what types of the topics and titles published by this journal. So if your research area comes under this particular topics and title, you can submit your research area to this particular journal. And also really very good journal, and whether the journal related to the which category. So as you can see here, this journal comes under the category of the DBLP and also many more indexing. And so you can see here, so grab this golden opportunity to publish your research area. And if you are looking for a kind support, and if you are facing any kind of the issue to search your journal to publish your research paper and article, so just ping me, so you will get the solution regarding the paper publication. If you are looking for the my WhatsApp number, so you will have the link in the description, so see the description part, so you will join with our WhatsApp group. So friends, thank you for watching this video.